Did you know that when you sneeze, it's like your nose is breaking the speed limit? A sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. It's like your nose turns into a turbocharged engine. Achoo, and off it goes. And here's the gross part. That sneeze can launch thousands of tiny droplets up to 26 feet away. Yep, your sneeze is basically the Usain Bolt of germs. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're basically a speedster. But please, cover your mouth unless you want to start a germ marathon. If this blew your mind faster than a sneeze, hit that like button, share the fun, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's make learning as fast as a sneeze. Achoo!